Hi everyone, welcome back to Product Secrets Review. So friends, in today's video I'm going to review activated charcoal tooth powder from the brand called Bon Austin. So guys, I hope you have already heard about that if you use charcoal powder on your teeth, it can whiten up your teeth. So in today's video I'm going to review about this charcoal. We will be talking about its benefits and how we should use this charcoal, and then we will also be getting to know whether this charcoal is good for our health or not. So guys, now without any further delay, let's get started with a full review. So this charcoal powder is from the brand called Bon Austin, and if you search about Bon Austin company, you will see so many skincare, hair care and health related products both from online and offline. So this product comes in a black color bottle or box. It has got 50 grams quantity and its price will cost you for 250 rupees. But I know the price is little bit costlier, but you can buy this in 62% discounts through online from Snapdeal or Amazon. I have provided the links in below description. So now let's open the box and see how it looks like. So now I will open this on the cap. I hope you can see that it's a black charcoal powder inside. Next, we are going to talk about how we can use this charcoal powder. So to use this powder, it has basically two methods. The first method is very easy and it will save your time as well. So what you have to do is use your two fingers. First, wet your fingers properly and then dip your finger on the charcoal powder. Then it will easily stick on your finger. Now, with the help of your finger, put your finger on your teeth and then rub it properly. But honestly speaking, this first method is not the best because with this method, you will not get to see the best results. That's why you should use the second method. For this method, just use your normal brush. Normally use the brush that you usually brush your teeth. Before using it, first wet your brush and then dip the brush on the box. The charcoal will easily stuck on the toothbrush. Now with the help of this, apply the charcoal properly on your teeth. Brush it on your upper teeth, lower teeth and the middle portions. So brush it for about 2 to 3 minutes and then wash it off with normal water. You will definitely see the instant effects or results with one-time use. Your whole teeth will instantly whiten and shine. So guys, now let's talk about its benefits. By using this charcoal powder, we will see that what are the benefits we are going to get from this. It has got at least 2 to 3 benefits. So the first benefit is if you use this charcoal powder, it will instantly whiten up your teeth. Definitely, you will see the whitening effect on your teeth by one use. Because this charcoal can remove all the yellowish stains and dust from your teeth. The second benefit is that it removes the plaque layer from the teeth. Even though if you don't brush your teeth for 2 to 3 days, it will prevent the forming layers on your teeth. So this is the second benefit. The third benefit is that with the help of this charcoal, it can make your teeth stronger than before. Along with that, let's also talk about its ingredients. So the main ingredient here is the charcoal. Along with it has got other additional ingredients like bentonite clay, orange oil, peppermint oils, spearmint oil, clove oil, camphor, turmeric and black pepper. So all these natural ingredients works efficiently as compared to other teeth whitening methods. So guys, you can use this charcoal powder for removing tea or coffee stains, wine stains, or any food stains. You have already seen that all the ingredients are herbals. It has no any harmful chemicals added in it. So this is an 100% natural and 100% vegan ingredients for teeth whitening charcoal powder. Now lastly, let's talk about where to store these packets. So you can store this anywhere except you should not store inside the fridge and direct sunlight. Also, please do keep this from out of reach of children. So friends, I have been using this since for 2 to 3 days and I have found the instant effect of this and I'm happy with it. So I can highly recommend this product for you guys. You should definitely try this once. And if you want to buy this, please do check the below links given directly to get your amazing discounts. So friends, that was it all about my review of this activated charcoal teeth whitening powder. I hope you have loved this video. Then please give it a like, share, comment and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.